Here's Lila and her new exerciser that we got from a friend. Our friend who has twins that are 2.5 years old. Too big for it. Yeah, look at you and your teeth. Look at you and your teeth. And you're getting 2 top teeth pretty soon. Yep, do you hear the doggies barking? Yep, they see something outside. Yeah, look at you. Okay, Mommy's gonna back up a little bit so we can get a better view. Hi. And see your little feet down there. Yeah, we can see your little feet down there. Yeah. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, Bonnie. What is it? Are you hungry for some more milk? Okay. I can get up and do that. I just thought maybe we would look at how much you like this part. Okay. Oh, yeah, you want something. Okay. You like that. That makes Lila happier, doesn't it? Yeah. Hard to hold the camera.